In this video, I will teach you how to start lucid dreaming tonight, even if you never did it before. This guide is ideal for complete beginners who want to learn how to control their dreams. I will tell you exactly what you should do in order to induce lucidity in your dreams. Before we start, be sure to subscribe if you want to watch more videos about lucid dreaming. So, without further ado, let's begin. The first step is simple yet essential. Start testing your reality. When it comes time to lucid dreaming, you need to know whether you're awake or not, right? And how can you figure out if you are dreaming? The simple answer is you have to perform reality checks. This is a simple action that tests your reality. You have to do throughout your day, and sooner or later, this action will also appear in your dreams. Now, while there are numerous methods, one of the most effective is to count your fingers. Count your fingers regularly throughout the day, and each time you do it, say to yourself, "I must be awake." If you realize that you have more than 5 fingers or your hand looks distorted, you will become aware that you're dreaming. So, from now on, count your fingers every moment you want to test your reality. Step 2. Occupy your mind. If you want to induce lucid dreaming tonight, you should be completely focused on your goal. You can't expect to read one article or to watch one video and to start controlling your dreams. Once you're done with this video, explore the lucid dream world further. In the video description, I've included a few articles from my website, so you can read about topics that might be interesting for you. Step 3. Believe that you will experience a lucid dream. Throughout your day, also when you go to bed, have a specific thought in your head, such as, "I'll have a lucid dream tonight," or "I'll realize that I am dreaming tonight." This is super important since you will be planting in your subconscious mind the intention of having a lucid dream and recognizing when you have it. Step 4. Mindfulness practice. Awareness is the key to lucid dreaming. That's why you have to improve your awareness, not only in the dream world, but also in the real world. And how do you do that? By practicing meditation. Before going to sleep, find a bit of time to practice at least 10 to 15 minutes of meditation. If you've never meditated, then try to sit and count your breaths. By focusing your attention on your breathing, you're leaving behind all your worries. You'll be in a better state to relax, and it will be easier to become aware of your dreams. Step 5. Turn off all electronics. Your brain produces more melatonin when it's dark. That's the sleeping hormone who makes you feel sleepy. Melatonin also helps the body to enter deep sleep faster. It is important to limit the use of electrical devices 1 to 2 hours before you go to sleep, since your phone, tablet, TV, or computer emits an especially disruptive blue light, which can mess up with the production of melatonin. Step 6. Wake up during the night. Set up an alarm that will wake you up after 5 hours of sleep. You have to bring yourself to full consciousness for a few minutes. After you wake up, do this. Repeat in your head that you will lucid dream. You can even have a specific mantra, such as, "I will recognize that I'm dreaming," or "Tonight, I will become lucid in my dream." Think about what you are going to do inside the dream world. Try to visualize your dream. Then, go back to sleep by calming yourself down, and even meditating until you fall asleep. While relaxing, keep repeating to yourself that you will lucid dream tonight. Now, there are 2 possible outcomes. First one is that you will fall asleep. The second one is that you might start seeing some images and shapes. This is a state called hypnagogia. These hypnagogic hallucinations appear because you will be in the transitional state from wakefulness to sleep. It often includes visions, sounds, and bodily sensations. If you experience hypnagogia, take advantage of it. Start thinking more and more intensively about your dream landscape. Try to imagine everything as much as you can. When making the background of the dream, try to see it as you are there at the moment. If you remember the dream you had before waking up, try to recreate it. If things have gone to plan, perform the reality check and stabilize your semi-lucid state. When you think the dream is more stable, figure out what you want to do. But wait. What to do if you don't have control over the dream? Don't worry, that is completely fine. Even if you just reach the point that you are aware that you are dreaming, it is a success. By practicing more, you will achieve higher awareness and you will be able to control your dream. Until then, explore your subconscious actions. Lastly, what if you didn't reach the hypnagogic state? Don't worry, that's okay too. The truth is that you were programming your mind to experience a lucid dream the whole day. If you did everything right, there is still a chance that you will become aware that you are dreaming. If you induced a lucid dream, congrats! As a beginner, you will probably need to stabilize your lucid dream. For dream stabilization techniques, go and check the links in the description. Let me know in the comments below, did you experience the hypnagogic state? If you have any questions, be sure to ask them in the comment section. For more information, go to www.luciddreamsociety.com.